going to fit our 79 series tube front bar. Preparation for doing it, obviously we'll remove the bumper. Everything needs to go, all of the bracketry. This tow hook, because our Bullbar is going to slide in there, generally you just take it off and get rid of it. You can retain it, but you'll need to back it off and have it loose for when you're going to fit the Bullbar. Also, now's a really good time to grab a tail out for your parkers and indicators. This one had a factory bar, so we've already got them there, so we're a bit lucky. But otherwise now you would tap into them and have your wire hanging down ready, so once the bar's on, that's a little bit easier. You can also run your spotlight wiring and all that sort of stuff. This one, as I say, had a Bullbar, so all that's already there. Once you've got to that point, you get all your bolts ready and you're ready to slip on. Alright, so now we're pretty much done. Just recap what we've done. So obviously once we put the bar on, we put all our bolts in loose. Now, important things to note, the bolts from the inside, which are the M10 fines, are longer than the bolts which are from the outside. The ones on the outside are the shorter, I think are 20 mil long, the ones on the inside are 30. It's because the ones on the outside will intersect with the vertical bolt, so you must use shorties on the outside, longies on the inside. There's a very large M12 bolt that goes right down through the middle. And then you've got your big 16mm bolt on the tab underneath. Now, it's critical that you put them all in loose because there's an awful lot of bolts. Get them all in loose. You do have a little bit of wiggle room. That they are very snug on the rail. And then once you've got them all in, you can rock the bar front and back a little bit to get it parallel with the side and then do everything up. So it doesn't really matter what order you do them up in, but yeah, make sure you get everything in before you tighten anything. From there, as I said, we had our wires hanging out for our parker and indicator. We've now wired all them. If you're fitting a winch, they are the 4 bolt holes in the front. So you'll find when you fit your number plate, which is with the stainless button heads, 6mm ones we supply. If you're fitting a winch, you do need to space it out. We just put the 2 little nuts in the back, so it's not sitting on the heads of your winch bolts. If you don't, you bolt it hard, like no winch, hard to the face. They do suit a straight fair lead, like not offset, but an offset one will also work. We've made the hole big enough that it'll fit both, but preferably a straight fair lead is what we're after. Our spotlights bolt up from the bottom if you're fitting spotlights, and there is an aerial tab up here, so the lights will hang upside down in here. As long as all your bolts are tight, check your parker and indicators are working, it's a finished job.